Hey guys, it's Miss Morrow, your favorite marine biology teacher, at least this 9 weeks. We're here on Navarre Beach, and I wanted to show you something that you're probably never going to see up close. Zoom on in over here. That is a very large great white shark, also known as a white shark. We do get those in the Gulf of Mexico. This is a female shark that washed up early this morning, and as you can see, it takes a lot of power to get her out of the water. Fish and Wildlife Stranding Network is here working with them. As you can see, all the people have to stay a distance so they can do their work. It's exciting on Navarre Beach. So female, just a couple tidbits about sharks, great white sharks, is they have ovoviviparous birth or development, which means that they have egg cases inside of them that hatch out. And if they are pregnant, they usually have about 6 to 8 pups at a time. Anyways, we'll keep you posted.